Packing for a trip can be stressful, but what if it didn't have to be? Today, we're uncovering 20 of the coolest travel gadgets on Amazon that make packing effortless. From futuristic organizers to smart travel tools you never knew existed, these game-changing gadgets will upgrade the way you travel. Stick around till the end. You won't believe how simple and fun packing can become. Number 1. Anker-nano-travel-adapter. The anker-nano-travel-adapter is a compact powerhouse for international travelers. Supporting multiple plug types and fast-charging USB ports, it keeps phones, tablets, and small devices powered worldwide. Its lightweight, pocket-friendly design makes it easy to carry in backpacks or carry-ons, while built-in safety features like surge protection ensure worry-free charging. Perfect for business trips, on vacations, or spontaneous adventures, it eliminates the need for multiple adapters. Stay charged wherever you go. Click the product link below to grab your anker-nano-travel-adapter. Number 2. Fogfly-expandable-travel-luggage. The fogfly-expandable-travel-luggage combines style, durability, and convenience for travelers. Made from premium materials, it's lightweight yet sturdy, with smooth rolling wheels and a telescopic handle for easy maneuvering. Its expandable design offers extra packing space for souvenirs or longer trips, while multiple compartments keep belongings organized. Ideal for frequent flyers or road trips, this luggage balances practicality with a sleek, modern look. Travel smart and in style. Check out the product link below to get your Fogfly expandable travel luggage. Number 3. A Relaxation portable door lock 2-pack. The Relaxation portable door lock provides extra security and peace of mind while traveling. Easy to install on most doors without tools, it adds an extra layer of safety in hotels, hostels, or rental homes. Lightweight and compact, it fits neatly in a pocket or luggage, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Durable and reliable, it ensures privacy during sleep or work hours. Enhance your travel security effortlessly. Click the product link below to grab the Relaxation portable door lock 2-pack. Number 4. KOOKTECH 45-watt power bank. The KOOKTECH 45-watt power bank is a travel essential for keeping devices charged on the go. Its high-capacity battery powers phones, tablets, and laptops quickly, while multiple USB ports allow simultaneous charging. Compact, lightweight, and pocket-friendly, making it perfect for flights, road trips, or remote adventures. Built with safety features like overcharge and short-circuit protection, it ensures reliable, worry-free use. Don't let your devices run out of power while traveling. Click the product link below to get the KOOKTECH 45-watt power bank. Number 5. bagsmart-compression-packing-cubes. bagsmart-compression-packing-cubes make travel organization effortless. These lightweight, durable cubes compress clothes, maximize luggage space, and keep belongings neatly separated. Perfect for long trips or minimalist packing, their breathable design prevents wrinkles while the sturdy zippers ensure reliability. Ideal for backpacks, carry-ons, or suitcases, they simplify packing and unpacking. Travel smarter and stay organized with this convenient packing solution. You can click the product link below to grab your bagsmart compression packing cubes for your next journey. Number 6. Morning Deer Packing Cubes 5. Set the Morning Deer 5-piece packing cube set helps travelers pack efficiently while keeping items organized. Lightweight and durable, each cube separates clothes, shoes, and accessories, while the breathable mesh design reduces wrinkles and allows easy identification. Perfect for frequent flyers, weekend trips, or family vacations. These cubes save space and simplify packing. Their premium feel and practical design make them an essential travel companion. Streamline your luggage today. Check out the product link below to get the Morning Deer packing cube set. Number 7. fyy-travel-cable-organizer-pouch. The fyy-travel-cable-organizer-pouch keeps your electronics tidy and accessible. With multiple compartments and elastic loops, it stores charging cables, earbuds, adapters, and small gadgets neatly in one compact pouch. Lightweight and durable, it fits easily into backpacks or carry-ons, preventing tangled cords during travel. Ideal for tech-savvy travelers, students, or digital nomads, it simplifies packing and ensures gadgets are always ready to use. Stay organized on the go. Click the product link below to grab the fyy-travel-cable-organizer-pouch. Number 8. Travel-Inspira-Luggage-Scale. The Travel-Inspira-Luggage-Scale is a lightweight digital tool that prevents overweight baggage fees. Its ergonomic design and easy-to-read display quickly measure luggage weight in seconds, ensuring peace of mind at airports. Compact and portable, it fits easily in carry-ons or suitcases. Perfect for frequent travelers or families, it helps save money and reduce stress during packing. Travel smart with this handy gadget. Click the product link below to get your Travel-Inspira Luggage Scale today. Number 9. 10. fygrip-vacuum-storage-bags. fygrip-vacuum-storage-bags are perfect for maximizing luggage space while protecting clothing, bedding, and soft items from moisture, dust, or odors. Simple to use, they compress items efficiently using a vacuum, making packing for long trips or multiple destinations stress-free. Durable and reusable, these bags maintain their premium feel over repeated use. Ideal for travelers, students, or minimalists, they simplify packing and save space effortlessly. Click the product link below to grab your fygrip vacuum storage bags. Number 10. Hotor-travel-toiletry-bag. The hotor-travel-toiletry-bag keeps all your personal care items organized while on the go. Lightweight yet spacious, it features multiple compartments for bottles, toothbrushes, and cosmetics. Durable and water-resistant, it prevents spills and keeps toiletries protected during flights or road trips. Perfect for frequent travelers, campers, or family vacations. This bag combines functionality with convenience. Stay organized and stress-free while traveling. Click the product link below to get your hotor-travel-toiletry-bag. Number 11. Outin-nano-portable-coffee-maker. The outin-nano-portable-coffee-maker is perfect for coffee lovers on the go. Compact and lightweight, it brews fresh espresso or coffee anywhere, hotels, trains, or camping trips, without bulky equipment. Its rechargeable battery and simple operation make it travel-friendly, while the durable design ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for morning routines during trips, it delivers convenience and premium taste in one portable device. Never miss your coffee while traveling. Click the product link below to grab the outin-nano-portable-coffee-maker. Number 12. True Better Travel Hangers. 12-pack True Better Travel Hangers make organizing clothes easy while on the road. This 12-pack includes lightweight foldable hangers that fit perfectly in suitcases, backpacks, or hotel closets. Durable and space-saving, they prevent wrinkles and simplify packing and unpacking. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or extended stays. Like these hangers combine convenience with practicality. Travel light and stay organized wherever you go. Click the product link below to get your True Better Travel Hangers 12-pack today. Number 13. Dream Egg Portable Noise Machine. The Dream Egg Portable Noise Machine is a must-have for restful travel. Compact and lightweight, it produces soothing white noise, pink noise, and other calming sounds, blocking distractions during flights, hotels, or hostels. Its rechargeable battery lasts for hours, creating a peaceful environment anywhere. Easy to use and travel-ready, it helps improve sleep quality for frequent flyers or shift workers. Make your travel rest uninterrupted and comfortable. Check the product link below to grab the Dream Egg Portable Noise Machine. Number 14. Metain Travel Laptop Backpack. The Metain Travel Laptop Backpack combines style, comfort, and functionality for travelers and professionals. With dedicated laptop compartments, multiple storage pockets, and USB charging ports, it keeps devices organized and powered on the go. Water-resistant and durable, it protects belongings from spills and weather. Adjustable padded straps ensure comfort during long commutes or hikes. Perfect for business trips, flights, or daily use, it's a versatile travel companion. Click the product link below to grab the Metain Travel Laptop Backpack. Number 15. JSA UX Foldable Phone Stand. The JSA UX Foldable Phone Stand is compact, lightweight, and ideal for travel. It supports phones and small tablets at multiple angles, perfect for watching movies, video calls, or reading on planes, trains, or hotels. Its foldable design fits easily in backpacks, carry-ons, or pockets. Durable and sturdy, it keeps devices secure while enhancing comfort during travel. Simplify mobile use on the go. Click the product link below to get the JSA UX Foldable Phone Stand. Number 16. Tone Life Portable Travel Bidet 2-pack. The Tone Life Portable Travel Bidet 2-pack is a convenient, hygienic solution for travelers. Lightweight, compact, and refillable, it provides a clean and comfortable experience anywhere, airplanes, hotels, or camping. Easy to use and eco-friendly, it reduces reliance on tissue while improving personal hygiene. Perfect for frequent travelers, families, or outdoor enthusiasts, it combines practicality with comfort. Upgrade your travel hygiene effortlessly. Click the product link below to grab the Tone Life Portable Travel Bidet 2-pack. Number 17. Awajerski Airplane Foot Hammock 2-pack. The Awajerski Airplane Foot Hammock 2-pack makes long flights or bus rides more comfortable. Easy to install under airplane trays, it supports feet, relieves pressure, and improves circulation. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it fits in carry-ons or backpacks. Durable and sturdy, it helps travelers relax during journeys and reduces fatigue. Ideal for frequent flyers or anyone seeking extra comfort in transit, this foot hammock set enhances in-flight experiences. Click the product link below to get your Wajirski Airplane Foot Hammock 2-pack. Number 18. NapFun Travel Neck Pillow. The NapFun Travel Neck Pillow provides ergonomic support for restful travel. Made from 100% memory foam, it contours to the neck, reducing stiffness and discomfort on flights, trains, or road trips. Its breathable, soft cover keeps you cool and comfortable, while the lightweight, portable design clips easily to luggage. Perfect for frequent travelers, it offers premium comfort at a budget-friendly price. Ensure pain-free travel and restful journeys. Click the product link below to grab your NapFun Travel Neck Pillow. Number 19. Fly Hugs Travel Blanket and Pillow Set. The Fly Hugs Travel Blanket and Pillow Set ensures cozy, restful travel anywhere. Lightweight and compact, the soft fleece blanket and plush pillow provide warmth and comfort during flights, road trips, or camping. Easy to pack and carry, and the set fits neatly in carry-ons or backpacks. Durable and travel-ready, it's perfect for frequent travelers, children, or anyone needing extra comfort on the go. Stay warm and comfortable while traveling. Click the product link below to get the Fly Hugs Travel Blanket and Pillow Set. Number 20. Mom Cozy Portable Stroller Fan. The Mom Cozy Portable Stroller Fan keeps babies cool and comfortable during walks or travel. Lightweight, rechargeable, and adjustable, it attaches easily to strollers, car seats, or cribs, providing gentle airflow wherever needed. Quiet yet effective, it ensures a comfortable environment without disturbing sleep. Ideal for parents on the go, camping trips, or city strolls, it's a practical and travel-ready gadget. Keep your little ones cool and happy. Click the product link below to grab the Mom Cozy Portable Stroller Fan. Those were 20 of the coolest travel gadgets on Amazon that make packing effortless. Which one are you adding to your travel kit? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart travel tips.